You can generate the C code to embed on your target from the model. From the Code Generator toolbar, select the KCG configuration drop-down list. You can click on Settings to explore the configuration I.E. the specified options that are used to generate the code. This configuration allows to generate the C code for IASC1 software component with KCG 6.6.2c, by default in the target directory named with the configuration name at the level of project, hence KCG directory. Click Generate to automatically generate the C code. You can review generated C files. From the Info Log tab of the Output window, right-click on KCG Generated Files message and select Show in Folder to open the KCG directory where the code was generated. 3 C functions are generated in the selected IASC1 software C file. 1. The initialization function that initializes the local memories and outputs to the required values, calls the initialization functions of other subnodes. 2. The reset function that resets the local memories and outputs to the default values, calls the reset functions of other subnodes. 3. The cycle function that computes the behavior of the IASC via its outputs.